Just wanted to give my quick review. So we purchased this because we were changing a lot of lights and things around the house. And every time my husband went to split the wires, the wire was coming apart rather than stripping the topping off of it. So this has come in extreme use. We've done our cable wires, we had to redo all our outside lights. So if you're looking to strip the wires, I highly recommend this. It was extremely easy to do. He just hooked it up to the drill, insert the wire, and as it spins, the wire comes through here, all the excess, the top part of the wire. It worked exactly as described and no complaints. My brother-in-law is an electrician and he said he wants to borrow it to see how it works. So I am going to let him borrow this and test it out. But for our use, for stripping cable wire, redoing our outdoor lights, some of our indoor lights, it did the job. So I highly recommend and happy shopping. So just so you can see, it comes in a case and it has all the different sizes. This is for the attachment. And then like you could see, and it is labeled so you could see each one for the sizing difference. And has that. And the attachment for the drill. So happy shopping.